Shake your groove thing, baby. I'm gonna find my scissors, so just gonna use this. Okay, Purr.
Why do you look like a mascot?
Excuse me? I get that makeup on that cat first before you swear that. Christopher. Y'all speak on my body so much, I'm starting to think y'all forget I'm a human being. Yeah, I think I got feelings too. You feel me? Like, wow.
Which one you get more offended more? When they call you a man?
Who called me a man? Hold on. That nigga had you crying on your birthday. I do niggas the worst way. I put that band on for an hour. I go to the club. Them niggas be thirsty.
Huh?
Yeah, hello. Wait a minute.
I just want to say this.
Watch this.
Earlier,
Pop.
Deja asked me how my knees was feeling after lifting that dresser.
No, it's good, Pop.
I still got it. Know what you were saying? She's taking it, honey.
She's taking it, Annie.
Taking it, honey.